Question number 10. Write a program to input 3 numbers and swap them as this. Here given the sum formula, second number gets the value of first and second number, means sum of first and second number. Third number gets the value of second and third numbers, means sum of second number plus third numbers. But here has not mentioned for first number. So that means first number equal to first numbers only. Okay, so first we will take 3 inputs, num1 equal to int input, enter first number, then num2 equal to int input, enter second number, num3 equal to int input, enter third number. So original numbers num1, num2, num3. Now num1 equal to num1 only, num2 equal to first number plus second number. So first number I have taken here as a num1 and second number as a num2. So num1 plus num2, that is for second number. Third number for second number plus third number, that means new value of second number, right? So new value of second numbers, whatever we will add it here, and then afterwards it will come. So num1 plus num2, that is for second number, and then num3. Okay, so that is why num3 equal to num1 plus num2 plus num3. If we will not write here this num1, then what happened? Just check it. See, suppose first number 4, second number 6, third number 5. Now look it here. First number is 4, second number 4 plus 6, 10, and then third number num2 plus num1. So num2 value is 6, third number is 5. So 6 plus 5, 11. So this value output has generated, but this value is wrong, because second number new output is which one? 10. So 10 plus 5, 15 should be come. So that is why what we will do here, we will answer here num1 plus num2 plus num3. Okay, because we are writing to the same line, that is why. So now see the output. First number same 4, second number 6, third number 5. Now see the output. 4, 10, 15 generated. Okay, so that is why we are, what we are doing, num1 plus num2, that is for second number, and this one for num3 for third number. Now come, if I will comment this line, now come to the second or option. We have two choice. So now look at here. Input 3 numbers first, then original numbers num1, num2, num3. Num1 equal to num1, num2 equal to num1 plus num2. Now num3 what we will do? This num3 will write to the next line. Then what happened? This num2, this value will store in the num2. Then this value will come here. So num2 plus num3. Okay. Now after swapping the numbers num1, num2, num3. Now check it the output. Again 4, first number, second number 6, third number 5. Now see, same output generated 4, 10, 15. So like this you can do it